ask every player, that's what they want. They don't want, like, every little space you have on the skate, that's something you don't want to have.
With the Supreme 190, we've been able to achieve the closest possible fit. There's zero negative space. Every bit of energy expended by the player is transformed into propulsion energy to move him forward or to help him make those quick direction changes. We've reinvented the process of manufacturing a skate.
Doing something for the first time that, it's never been done.
For the NikeBauer Supreme 190, we've done a lot of work looking at closely fitting the anthropometrics of the foot. That's the measurements of the shape of the foot, both statically and dynamically, so that when a person skates, that you have the best congruency, the best fit of that skate to allow for stability, control, but then also enough flexibility to generate power.
One analogy that came up is a Formula One racing car seat. Once he's sitting in there, there's no space whatsoever. So when he's taking curves at the kind of speed you see in Formula One, there's no movement, there's no body shifting. The 190 is made in a way that's completely different from any other skate that came before it. We actually had to develop a brand new machine that would allow us to work with the new materials and achieve a three-dimensional production process. So right away the fit is better as the skate is made.
3D compression molding didn't exist before.
NikeBauer Supreme 190 skate is the lightest skate we've ever made. It's coming in at 750 grams.
Supreme 190 is definitely the lightest skate I've ever felt.
It's really attention to detail and the experience and expertise of the people that are on our team that allow us to shave weight.
It is amazing how much they just keep getting lighter and lighter, and it is the lightest skate that to date that I've worn.
What's very important is that this is also a thermal formable skate. There are other composite skates that have been made in the past, but they haven't been thermal formable. That last step in customizing and personalizing the fit of this skate is what really brings it to be the closest thing to a perfect fit possible.
The new NikeBauer Supreme 190 has a whole new fit for a whole new level of speed. So when fitting for the first time, make sure to keep the following in mind. Choose the proper size. Due to the revolutionary 3D lasting process, the Supreme 190 runs approximately a half size larger than other NikeBauer Elite Performance skates. For example, a size 8 Vapor 30 skate would equal a size 7.5 Supreme 190. Look for an overall closer fit. The Supreme 190 will fit closer to the foot in both the heel and ankle area, as well as the mid and forefoot. This allows for greater feel for the ice and an increase in energy transfer with every stride. As a result of the patented 3D lasting process, there is more shape built into the Supreme 190 quarter panel, which allows the foot to fit securely into the boot and at the same time flex freely. To achieve these important benefits, the facing is built with less wrap around the foot. The 190 is fully thermoformable. The Supreme 190 skate is the most thermoformable skate ever created. For a fully customized fit, follow these steps. Preheat oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Heat for a maximum of 3 minutes. Lace the skate and stand up for 1 minute without flexing forward or walking. By following these simple guidelines, the 190 skate can be heated up to 3 times for maximum fit. The Supreme 190 skate features a highly advanced Lightspeed 2 power holder. Built with a longer runner, the holder puts more blade on the ice for increased power. The slight difference in length may require some time to adjust. This transition can be made easier by immediately profiling the radius of the runner to ensure a similar shape to the player's previous skates.